If the speed of light were the same in all the media, which of these processes is not possible? Reflection, refraction, dispersion, all the above. Next question. Assertion, diamond shine. Reason, total internal reflection. Assertion and reason are correct. Assertion, reason correct. Reason is not a correct explanation of assertion. Assertion is correct and the reason is wrong. Assertion is false and the reason is correct. I am an axiom and I strictly followed by refraction of light. Who am I? Total internal reflection, frequency, refraction, Fermat principle. Ravi wrote Snell's law as N1 by N2 is equal sin I by sin R, and Rani wrote it as N1 by N2 is equal sin R by sin I. Rani is correct, Ravi is correct, both correct, none. Light enter from air to diamond, which has a refractive index of 2.42. Calculate the speed of light in diamond. If speed of light in air is 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second. Match the following: V1 by V2 sin C, V2 by V1, sin I by sin R, N12 1 by N. So which is the correct? Match the following. Next, twinkling of stars is due to reflection, total internal reflection, Fermat principle, atmospheric refraction. So what is the reason for twinkling of stars? Air, water, kerosene and benzene, the refractive indexes are given. In which medium do light passes with less speed? Benzene, kerosene, air, water. The number of telephone signals transmitted through optical fiber: 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000. Total internal reflection takes place when the light ray travels from rarer to denser medium, rarer to rarer medium, denser to rarer medium, denser to denser medium. Diamond, total internal reflection, twinkling of stars, refraction, reflection, gold, Fermat principle. Diamond, total internal reflection, then twinkling of stars. Name the lens. You have to observe the figure. What is the name of this type of lens? Concave or convex, biconcave, concave and convex. Now check your answers. So the first question answer is refraction. The speed of light were the same in all medium, that is refraction. Assertion, reason correct. Reason is not a correct explanation of A, assertion. I am an axiom, that is a Fermat principle. Ronnie is correct. N1 by N2 is equal sin R by sin I. So you know that refractive index of diamond is 2.42, then its speed is 1.24 into 10 power 8. So here V1 by V2 is sin I by sin R. A, C, B is correct answer. Twinkling of stars is due to atmospheric refraction. So here benzene. In which medium do light passes with less speed? Benzene. The number of telephone signals transmitted through optical fiber is 2000 nearly. Total internal reflection takes place when the light ray travels denser to denser. Twinkling of stars due to refraction. So the given picture is a biconvex lens. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like it.